I need to talk about the most dangerous form of procrastination because it doesn't look like scrolling TikTok all the time. It looks like being the responsible adult. I caught myself the other day watching a productivity video, and it was about how to stop overthinking and take action. And halfway through, I stopped and I switched to another video because it looked slightly better. I was literally procrastinating on taking action by learning how to take an action. If you are someone who spends months buying planners, tweaking Notion templates, and reading 3 more books before you feel ready, listen to me. You are not building momentum. You are building an extreme, comfortable place to hide. Your brain can't tell the difference between doing and learning. So it gives you a dopamine hit by accomplishing without ever asking you to be brave. What is the one thing you've been preparing to do for weeks? Drop it in the comments and let's figure out how to just do 5% of it today.